students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we start 8th class subject science. मैं यास्मीन नुसरत, pilot school GMS Chamkot. Our topic is contact forces, muscular forces. Can you push or hit a book laying on a table without touching it? Can you lift a bucket of water without holding it? क्या आप किताब को पुश कर सकते हो, ये टेबल पर छोड़िए, या फिर एक बाल्टी को उठा सकते हो उसको पकड़े बगैर? जनरली टू अप्लाई ए फोर्स ऑन एन ऑब्जेक्ट योर बॉडी हैज़ टू बी कॉन्टैक्ट विद द ऑब्जेक्ट। तो कोई भी चीज़ पर फोर्स लगाने से पहले हमें उस चीज़ के साथ क्या करना है? कॉन्टैक्ट करना है। द कॉन्टैक्ट में आल्सो बी विद द हेल्प ऑफ ए स्टिक और ए पीस ऑफ रोप। तो हम उसके साथ कैसे कॉन्टैक्ट करेंगे? या स्टिक के साथ या फिर रोप, रस्सी के साथ। When we push an object like a school bag or lift a bucket of water, where does the force comes from? The force is caused by the action of muscles in our body. The force resulting due to the action of muscles is known as the muscular force. Animal also make use of muscular force to carry out their physical activities and other tasks. Animals like bullocks, horses, donkeys, and camels are used to perform various tasks for us. In performing these tasks, they use muscular force. Since muscular force can be applied only when it is in contact with an object, it is also called contact force. Are there other types of contact forces? Let us find out. Fraction. Recall some of your experience. A ball rolling along the ground gradually slows down and finally comes to rest. When we stop pedaling a bicycle, it gradually slows down and finally comes to a stop. A car or a scooter also comes to rest once its engine is switched off. Similarly, a boat comes to rest if we stop rowing it. Can we add some more such experience? Non-contact force. You know that like poles have two magnets repel each other, and unlike poles attract each other. Attraction or repulsion between objects can also be seen as another form of pull or push. Do you have to bring the magnetic in contact for observing the force between them? A magnet can exert a force on another magnet without being in contact with it. The force exerted by a magnet is an example of a non-contact force. Similarly, the force exerted by a magnet on a piece of iron is also a non-contact force. Electrostatic force. Take a plastic straw and cut it into nearly two equal pieces. Suspend one of the pieces from the edge of a table with the help of a piece of thread. Now hold the other piece of straw in your hand and rub its free end with a sheet of paper. Bring the rubber end of the straw near the suspended straw. Make sure that the two pieces do not touch each other. What do you observe? Next, rub the free end of the suspended piece of a straw with a sheet of paper. Again, bring the piece of straw that was rubbed earlier with paper near the free end of the suspended straw. Do you observe now? A straw is said to be acquired electrostatic charge after it has been rubbed with a sheet of paper. Such a straw is an example of a charged body. The force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body is known as electrostatic force. This force comes into play even when the bodies are not in contact. The electrostatic force thereof is an example of non-contact forces. Gravitational force. You know that a coin or a pin falls to the ground when it slips off your hand. The leaves of fruits also fall to the ground when they get detached from the plant. Have you ever wondered why is it so? When the coin is held in your hand, is at rest. As soon as it is released, it begins to move downwards. It is clear that the state of motion of the coin undergoes a change. Can this happen without a force acting on it? Which is this force? Objects or things fall towards the earth because it pulls them. The force is called the force of gravity or just gravity. This is an attractive force. The force of gravity acts on all objects. The force of gravity acts on all of us all the time without our being aware of it. Water begins to flow down towards the ground as soon as we open a tap. Water in rivers flows down due to the force of gravity. Gravity is not a property of the earth alone. In fact, every object in the universe, whether small or large, exerts a force on every other object. This force is known as gravitational force. Pressure. You might have observed that strong winds during a storm or a cyclone can blow away even the रूफटॉप्स। तो आपको पता है कि जब बहुत ज़्यादा स्टॉर्म तूफान आता है, हवा का साइक्लोन होता है, तो वो क्या ले जाता है? घर की छतों को उड़ा ले जाते हैं। यू आल्सो लर्न दैट विंड्स एंड साइक्लोन्स आर कॉज्ड बाय द डिफरेंसेस इन एयर प्रेशर। तो साइक्लोन्स और विंड्स जो ज़्यादा होती है वो किसकी वजह से होती है? डिफरेंसेस एयर प्रेशर की वजह से। इज़ देयर एनी रिलेशन बिटवीन प्रेशर एंड फोर्स? लेट अस फाइंड आउट। ट्राई टू पुश ए नेल्स इनटू ए वुड ब्लैंक बाय इट्स हेड। तो क्या करो, एक कील को वुड में डालो, मतलब पुश करो। डू यू सक्सीड? क्या आप कामयाब हो जाएंगे? ट्राई नाउ टू पुश द नेल्स बाय द पॉइंटेड इट। नेचुरली सिरे जो ऊपर उसका मोटा हेड होता है वहाँ से मत ना जाएगी, तो ये पॉइंटेड एंड से जाएंगी। कुड यू डू इट दिस टाइम? क्या आप ये कर सकते हो? कट वेजिटेबल्स विदाउट ए ब्लंट and a sharp knife. Which is easier? Do you get the feeling that the area over which the force is applied, or example, the pointed end of the nail, plays a role in making this task easier? The force acting on a unit area of a surface is called pressure. Pressure is equal to force per area on which it acts. Pressure exerted by liquids. Take a transparent glass tube or a plastic pipe. The length of the pipe tube should be about 15 centimeter and its diameter should be 7.5 centimeter. Also take a piece of thin sheets of a good quality rubber, say a rubber balloon. Stretch the rubber sheets tightly over one end of the pipe. Hold the pipe at the middle. Keep it in vertical position. Ask one of your friends to pour some water in the pipe. Does the rubber sheet bulge out? Note also the height of the water column in the pipe. Pour some more water. Observe again the bulges in the rubber sheet and the height of the water column in the pipe. Repeat this process a few more times. Can you see any relation between the amount of the bulges in the rubber sheet and the height of the water columns in the pipe? Atmospheric pressure. You know that there is air all around us. This envelope of air is known as the atmosphere. हमारे इर्द गिर्द क्या है? हवा है, और जो envelope है हवा का उसको क्या कहते हैं? Atmosphere. The atmospheric air extends up to many kilometers above the surface of the earth. The pressure exerted by this air is known as atmospheric pressure. तो जो प्रेशर होता है इस हवा का उसको क्या कहते हैं? एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. वी नो दैट प्रेशर इज फोर्स पर यूनिट एरिया. तो हम जानते हैं कि प्रेशर जो है वो पर यूनिट एरिया. इफ़ वी इमेजिन ए यूनिट एरिया एंड ए वेरी लॉन्ग सिलेंडर स्टैंडिंग ऑन इट फिल्ड विद वाटर एयर, then the weight of the air in this cylinder is the atmospheric pressure. But how large or small is the atmospheric pressure? Let us give an idea about this magnitude. Take a good quality rubber sucker. It looks like a small rubber. Press it hard on a smooth plain surface. Here, does it stick to the surface? Now try to pull it off the surface. Can you do it? Okay, children, हमारा ये लेसन कंप्लीट हो गया. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको समझ आया होगा. ओके, थैंक यू. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ.